Hello guys, welcome back to the KJS Electronics. In today's video we are going to see how to make a wireless LED display. To make the wireless LED display we need these things such as an Arduino board, a wireless Bluetooth module which can be HC06 or HC05, a copper dot PCB and a breadboard, some connecting wires and the LEDs. We are going to use 144 LEDs for the following display. And this is the 74HC595 shift register. From the datasheet of 74HC595, it can be operated on 5 volts and it can be used as 8-bit serial input or 8-bit serial or parallel output. If you want to see more about the IC, you can download the datasheet from the link in the description. Now the next thing, the 4017 counter IC. From the datasheet, we can say it can be operated from 2.0 volts to 5 volts. The counter IC counts the number of clock signals by turning out their outputs. Before making the LED matrix, it's better to test the LEDs on the breadboard. In this matrix, we are going to have 6 rows and 24 columns. By using the same schematic, we are going to make the LED matrix. In the following way, you can create the matrix very easily. Just insert one LED per time and solder it. Make sure the polarities are always correct. After soldering the LEDs for the row 1, you are simply going to bend the negative leg of the LEDs so that it can create a common ground layer for the row 1. The same technique will be applied for all the 6 rows of the matrix display. To create the ground layer, we are going to bend the LED's negative leg in this way, so that it can create a common ground layer for the second row. After this is done, we are going to solder all the negative pins of the LEDs for the particular row. With the continuity tester, make sure all the soldering has been done correctly. For the columns of the LED matrix display, we are going to bend the positive legs of the LEDs and make sure they did not touch the ground layer which is below. And after that, just make sure you solder each and everything correctly. Repeat the same process for all the 6 layers and 24 columns of the LED matrix. After the completion of the LED matrix, we are going to solder a 100 ohm resistor for per column. The LED matrix part is now done. Now we have to create a driver board to drive the LED matrix. By using the simple schematic, we are going to create the driver board for the LED matrix. All the necessary information about the circuit can be found out on my instructables page. Link is in the description. Always use a continuity tester and make sure you have wired everything correctly. The completed LED matrix looks like this. These 6 pins are for the rows and the remaining are 8 columns. Now this is the driver board with 74HC595 and the 4017 counter. The connections are the same as it was there in the schematic. Now hook up the power lines for both 74HC595 and 4017 counter as plus 5 volt and ground, and connect the data and the latch for 4017 counter. And similarly for 74HC595, we are going to connect the clock pin, the latch pin and the data pin. For the Bluetooth serial communication, we are going to use the following schematic. By using the same schematic, I have created a Bluetooth breakout. The connections are the same as the plus 5 volt and ground for the Bluetooth module, and the TX pin of the Bluetooth module will go to the RX pin and the RX pin of the Bluetooth module will go to the TX pin of the Arduino. After uploading the code to the Arduino, we are going to need a Bluetooth terminal app which is available in the App Store or the Play Store. After the installation is done, we are simply going to connect the HC06 Bluetooth module to the Android device. And the wireless LED matrix display is now done. Now you can send a text from your Android device to the Bluetooth module, which will display the characters as in the matrix display. So thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.